Are you a beginner that's struggling with pastel, or you're an artist that love pastel work but you don't know how to start it? Come with me as I walk you through this pastel tutorial and tips. With these little tips can help you take your art and elevate it to the next level. So come with me as we dive into the painting tutorial. Here I explained the basic tools I use on my drawing and take it slow and still break it down how and I start from the beginning to the end, all of that. So as we go into the tutorial, stay with me as we go into. If it's your first time coming across this channel or page, subscribe and follow and stay tuned for more arts and tips and tutorial that can help you elevate your art to the next level. So that's we go into the tutorial. So artwork like this, some of them took me like 120 hours to finish a particular painting, but this particular one you see here took me almost 2 to 3 days. So as you can see the detail very clear. So after sketching the work, trying to work and bring a picture using the reference into lives and having a wonderful picture like this.
Today, I want to share with you
So artwork like
this portrait
really consists for you
painting
just the passion.
using
So
pastel.
what I can tell you is
Come
it
draw
doesn't
with
really
me.
matter how you start.
Welcome
But
to
it's
the
the
Sundays
end,
Art and
the result
Tutorial.
that people really count.
Here
Don't
I
really
teach and
count
encourage
your
the
feeling, but
upcoming
it
artists.
counts
If you are a beginner or you are an
at the
experienced
end for
artist,
you
but these little
achieve
tips can help you
whatever you're doing. So
elevate
I
your
understand
skills to
pretty
the next
well.
level.
It's coming up
So
as an
come with me
artist. It's really difficult
as we go into the
for
book.
the young artists or
So
the
after
beginners. It's
sketching
really
this
tough.
work
You
using the
you
reference
have a lot of issues to deal with.
picture here,
One material things.
after sketching it all,
Art
then I
material
use
to
my
understand
colors,
how
then
expensive
start
they
to
are, and
work on the skin tone
probably you
as you
find
see here in the
yourself
picture.
in the
Yeah, this
situation
is
to even
charcoal
get the materials very difficult. But what I can
pastel
tell you
pencil.
and I'll still encourage you
Yeah, somehow it's
that
very
is
expensive, but
don't
you
give
can
up.
still afford
Wherever in the
it.
little way you can start
I use
little
it
by
in
little and try
some
to
of the
pull
areas
yourself
that
and
my hand cannot go into,
become
so
who
I
you
use
really
them
want to
to
be.
blend it
So
and get
for me, that is how I
the
started
skin
it, the journey. So it was
done.
really difficult, and
So
but
today,
today people are giving me a lot of credits, calling me, want to
yeah,
learn from
so
me and stuff like that. So
this is done.
I'm really impressed.
Yeah, one thing I
The
can
comments people
tell you
give me,
is
still
art is all
encouraging
about
me.
patience. The more you listen to it, the
There's a lot
more
of this
it listen
energy that
to
still
you.
keep me pushing,
You know,
going
some of
through.
the
So
section can take you
if you're
up
out
to
there
3 minutes
struggling and
in one
you don't know
particular
how
place,
to
just
go
trying
about
to
it,
get the
thinking,
detailing
finding a way that
of that
it's
particular
gonna make it
area.
you
You can
need to
see
do
in
is just
this
start some.
portrait. If you watch
This
this
is your
video up
talent.
to this
It's gonna
time,
be
I really want to thank
really
you for your
simple,
support
and
and
you allow it to waste or you don't
time.
give attention to it. So
Subscribe and stay tuned for
so
more art tutorial and tips how to grow
all
and
I
elevate your
have
art
to
to
tell
the
you
next
is
level.
just keep
So
creating.
this is a
I'm
correction
here to
flow.
just really
Why I'm
inspire
using
you.
this
So if
correction
you
flow
find this
is
video interesting,
to try get
help
some
me share it
shiny
or
effect
share
on the
to
hair,
any person
stuff
that
like that.
has
Sometimes
interest
somebody
in
will just
art.
rub a cream and
Can
the head will be flexing.
invite them
So this is the
to
reason
follow my
why I'm
page
using
on
that
my
correction
YouTube
flow.
for
If you can
more
distance it a
tips
little
how
bit,
to
it give you a hair,
perfect
it give
yourself
you
and to
the
become a better
lighter
artist.
effect, the shining effect on the
Yeah,
hair. I'm not really done
just
with it,
a
but I'm
little
still working
tips
on
can
it.
help you.
So that's the reason
I
why I'm
cannot,
using it. You
probably
can also
support you
try it and see.
financially,
It's
but
very
just
nice
tips
when you use it.
and
It
my
creates
encourage.
some kind of
I'm just
effect
here
to
to
the hair.
spark your brain
As
and
using beard,
start what you
you see how
really
realistic this thing
want to
is. Like
be.
after I use charcoal pencil to get the
So
hair,
I'm just
then
here to
use the
encourage you
correction
and
fluid to try get some
tell you
little
that
effect
everything is
with
possible.
my
because
white
I
charcoal
find it difficult, way
pencil
back,
to create those kind of
starting this
effects that
journey.
you've seen
But
here.
today,
It's very
I
nice.
have a lot
But
of
still
stories
about
to tell.
time, and
The
so
upcoming
like I said,
at
watch
least
till
that
the
are
end
still
so that you
struggling.
don't miss
Or
anything
probably
about this work.
everybody's
So as
there
we
that's
progress, the work is
doing
progressing
better
too.
than me.
Hope you are enjoying it,
So
and
it's not
if you
easy.
enjoy it, give me
But
a thumbs
we
up,
can just stand one
comment,
place that seems
tell me
like
what
very
you think
difficult
about the
and
work.
you don't know how to do it.
If
You
you see
don't know that you don't have
more room
nobody
for
to
me to
support you,
improve,
and
I can surely
you
do
don't know how
that.
to go about it.
I am
Then
still
you just
learning.
allow the talent to
So,
waste. Man,
to me, I'm always
just
open to
get up,
assist in little way.
control with me.
If you have any
Get
question,
your
you can
pens
drop it
and
in the comment section. See
let's
you
get
in my
started.
next video.